If you want to listen to music on Apple Music but you don't have the money to pay for it, don't worry. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get up to 12 months, 2 to 3 months free of Apple Music on your phone, on your iPhone for free. You don't need to pay time, don't need to pay anything for this. You're good to get all of this for free. If you're new here, my name is Gerard and I make this a full tutorial. So I'll advise you to subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification, and also like this video. All right, please don't forget to subscribe. And at the end of this video, if you found it useful, if you found it interesting, then you can drop a comment in the comment section below. Like I said, I'll be showing you guys how to get free Apple Music for between 2 to 3 months. Okay, it depends. Some people get to 3 months, some people get only 2 months, but this is done for free. So in this video, first I will show you how to first of all convert your iPhone account location to US location. All right, all for free. You don't need to pay anyone to help you to do this. All right, you will convert it. Then from there, I'll also show you how you'll be able to get free Apple Music. So that's enough of the talking. Let's get down to business. So I'll be switching to my phone. Everything will be display on the phone, just like a voiceover. Then you just have like the voiceover, then you will listen to everything. So just pay attention. Very, very important. This is very important. Please don't skip any step. If you skip any step here in this video, might miss out on the whole thing completely. So don't skip any step. Just follow everything step by step. All right. So like I say, let's not waste more time. Just get down. Let's decide to business. First and first, we'll go to settings. Then we're going to click on general. So in general, we're going to select region and location. Location and region is the same thing. All right. So here we're going to choose the United States. So whatever it is, the state that you are, just come back and whichever country that's your listing is showing, just choose United States. If it's in United States already, then just leave it as it is. All right. So we're going to come back. I want to go to our App Store. So when we click on the App Store, we're going to go to our App Store. Then we're going to click on the profile there. Then we're going to click there. We're going to come down to country and region. So you want to click on country and region. There it is. Then we'll let it load. Change country and region. Then we're going to go scroll down all the way down to United States. So if you come here and your country and region is already showing United States, then you did the first step right. If it's not showing United States, then just change it here to United States. They're going to give you some agreements, terms and conditions. Who reads it anyway? Just click on next. Then here you're going to select none. All right, the payment method, select none. Then you're going to fill up this form, just address, street address. Just look for any US address and just fill it. You can just go to fake address generator and generate this and then fill it up. Then when you're done, just click on this is the page you're going to take you next to, then just click on done. Then that is done. All right. So the next thing we want to come down here, and then we're looking for what we're looking for. We're looking for wallet and Apple Pay. All right. Wallet and Apple Pay. So if you did that right, then we are going to have this option. Then you're going to come here, then select toggle on this Apple and Wallet Pay. They might give you option to sign in for security reasons. So you're going to do that. Then click on continue here. When you come here, you're going to click on continue. Other terms and conditions, you just agree on the terms and conditions. All right. So it's showing our balance is 0 here, but don't worry. We still have we still know what to do. So we're going to fill up this form here, like identity. All right. So we're also going to fill this with the same street details you got from that fake address generator. You're going to turn this on if you want. Depends. That's your choice. All right. So when you come back here, you see that our Apple Cash has been set up successfully. It's working perfectly. So we want to go back to our Apple ID here. We want to click here, then open it. Then we'll just click on payment and shipping. We'll click on payment and shipping. Let it load. And then it brings us here. Then you're going to select Apple Cash because that's what we'll be using. All right. So when select Apple Cash here as our payment method and not any other payment method, as a payment method I'll be making use of. Going to load. It's showing our balance is 0. Don't worry. Then just click on add. Don't worry about the 0 balance. Just click on add. We really don't need more in the Apple Cash to do any of this. So when you're done, where our Apple Cash has been set up as our payment method successfully. So I've completed the first step for this to get free Apple Music. So you're going to
click on the link in the description below. I'm going to leave a link. Click the link in the description below. It's going to bring you here. All right, so we're going to bring you to this page. Just scroll down, then you're going to see an option where they'll tell you to, they're going to see this option here, redeem now. So just click on redeem now. And when you click on redeem now, it's going to take you to your Apple Music app. You want to come here. This is like literally the final stage. You want to click here and redeem. Don't worry, we don't have money on our Apple Cash. They give me 1 month. Some persons will get 3 months, some people will get 2 months. It depends on it depends. They give it randomly. So when you click on that, then we're done. Just click on continue to Apple Music, and then our Apple Music subscription has been set up successfully. So now I have like 1 month free Apple Music subscription, and that's it.
So if you found this video interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification, and also like this video and drop a comment in the comment section below, please. This is going to help the channel rank well on the YouTube algorithm. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and very importantly, drop a comment in the comment section below. All right, so that's that. See you guys in the next.